Celebrity co-creation got a big boost with Mariah Carey joining the FF91 2.0 Futurist Alliance as the next owner. Her new car will be delivered soon, and she's already featured the FF91 and FF01 in her new music video called Type Dangerous, featuring a special appearance by Mr. Beast, one of the world's top influencers. The video has become an instant hit, trending across the internet and capturing the attention of the global entertainment and music industries. This partnership marks a significant milestone for Faraday Future, solidifying its position in the global EV landscape and reinforcing its ultimate AI luxury brand positioning. The synergy between FF's brand and iconic users continues to grow, forming a high-recognition, high-loyalty brand influence loop and signaling FF's entry into a new phase of global cultural co-creation. Mariah Carey's addition to the FF celebrity owner family reinforces FF's growing influence of celebrities, athletes, and music icons, showcasing the FF91 2.0's extreme product power as a symbol of futurism, cutting-edge technology, and AI innovation. FF founder and global co-CEO YT Gia congratulated Mariah Carey on her new single and music video, emphasizing that her ownership reaffirms FF's position in the global EV landscape. As the best-selling female artist of all time, Mariah Carey brings her unique style and flair to the FF91 2.0, further cementing the vehicle's status as a luxury icon. With her impressive credentials, including 19 Billboard Hot 100 #1 singles and multiple Grammy Awards, Carey's partnership with Faraday Future is a win-win for both parties, elevating the brand's profile and showcasing the FF91 2.0's exceptional capabilities. This co-creation marks a new stage of global cultural co-creation for Faraday Future, and more celebrity partnerships are on the horizon. Faraday Future founder and co-CEO YT Gia then highlighted another milestone in B2B pre-order collection for their upcoming FX model. They've signed a binding deposit agreement with Pinnacle Real Estate Group for 1,000 units of FX Super One, bringing the total B2B binding deposits to coverage of 3,500 non-binding pre-orders. This partnership establishes a global first, a B2B2C collaboration between an automotive company and a real estate brokerage. More collaborations are underway to pioneer unique programs like Luxury Car plus Luxury Home and Drive Home Together. FF is also making progress on system integration for FX Super One's custom-built AI software. They plan to showcase its unique capabilities at upcoming events, including the June 29th private preview and co-creation event and the July 17th first online global product launch. In the exciting areas of capital markets and finance, the second round of share purchase commitments by FX CEO Max, FF CFO Cody, and other executives has been officially approved and processed. This has been described as demonstrating management's strong confidence in the company's long-term value and commitment to the principle of stockholders first. Faraday Future's stock performance has been encouraging, and the company is grateful for the ongoing support from investors and retail stockholders. They're working hard to establish trust with supply chain partners, and many S-Tier 1 suppliers have expressed admiration for FF's determination, practicality, and relentlessness. YT Gia thanks all suppliers and partners for their trust and confidence in Faraday Future, emphasizing the company's commitment to creating value for them. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.